Welcome back. Today we will solve the problems by using mesh analysis. In this problem, we need to find the V naught value by using mesh analysis technique. Let's start it. As we know, for the mesh analysis, we need to apply the current for each loop. For the first loop, I will assign current as I1, and for the second loop, I will assign as current as I2. As per the current direction, we need to assign the sign for the resistance. This is positive, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. And as for the I2, this is plus, minus, plus, minus. And by using the Kirchhoff's voltage law, KVL rule, we need to find the equation for first loop and second loop. First, we will find the equation for first loop, that is 2I1 plus 3I1 plus 3 volt plus 1I1 minus I2 is equal to 0. By simplifying this equation, we will get 6I1 minus I2 is equal to minus 3. Make this one as a equation number 1. And from the second loop, we will get the equation as 1 I2 minus I1 minus 3 plus 5I2 plus 4 phi naught. By simplifying this equation, we will get minus I1 plus 6I2 plus 4 phi naught is equal to 3. Make this equation as 2. But from here, we come to know that phi naught is equal to 2I1. That is, phi naught is equal to 2I1. This is plus or minus. It is depending on direction of V naught and direction of the current. Both the current direction and the voltage direction are opposite. So V naught is equal to minus 2I1. So make this one as a equation number 3. Put equation number 3 in equation number 2. That is minus I1 plus 6I2 plus 4 into minus 2I1 is equal to 3. By simplifying this equation, we will get minus 9I1 plus 6I2 is equal to 3. Make this equation as 4. By using a scientific calculator, we can find the current values. From the first equation, before that we need to find the phi, and we have 3 unknowns, so we will select as a 1. First row, that is 6 minus 1 minus 3, and for the second row we need to select equation number 4, that is minus 9 6 3. So we will get I1 is equal to minus 5 by 9 and I2 is equal to minus 1 divided by 3. But from the equation 3, we know that V naught is equal to minus 2I1. So V naught is equal to minus 2 into I1 values minus 5 by 9 minus 5 divided by 9. So V naught is equal to minus 2 into minus 5 divided by 9 is equal to 10 divided by 9. This is equal to 1.11 volt. I hope the concept of mesh analysis is clear. If you like the video, do like and share with your friends. Press the subscribe button for more videos. Press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you for watching.